Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.10.0 on Windows 10. So go to any browser and type download Python in Google search and then click on download Python. Then click on downloads. Now go down until you see looking for a specific release, and here look for 3.10.0. So you can see Python 3.10.0. Just click on download and then go down until you see files, and here click on Windows Installer 64-bit. The download will start. Now tick the box for add Python 3.10 to path and then click on customize installation and then click on next, then click on install. So after setup was successful, just click on close. Now open your command prompt. And type Python space --- version. Press enter and you are going to see your Python version 3.10.0.